light, like a 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 light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sally sending texts and sending kites. Yeah.
In today's video, Shania's too busy running around the corner, so she doesn't want to be in the video. So we're bake and decorate giant cookie kit. So here's your Hello Kitty. And there's the cookie. There's the bowl. There's the frosting. And there is the sprinkles. There she goes. Anywho, pat, 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 pat. And we're going to put her in the oven. Good job. Put the spoon down. Put the spoon down. And can you tear this paper off around the cookie? Don't break it. Don't break the cookie. Just tear the paper. There's Curly Sue. You hold the camera. Hold it down. Hold it on the cookie. Mimi, do it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Get the cookie. Pick it up. No, get the whole pan.
Okay.
And someone's at the door. Someone's at the door. Let's put her in the oven. Mimi, help. You need assistance. 10 minutes. Let's see who's at the door, huh? A white boy. White boy or white man? So we have the food coloring and we have the yellow. There's the sprinkles and here's the frosting. So I really want to turn the frosting yellow that Shania has. And there's the cookie. It's cooling off. So I'm going to open up the frosting and put yellow dye on it. I love you too, baby.
Yeah, mommy.
Yeah. Not yet, Sanaya.
Yet.
Not yet. Let's put the frosting in the bowl because Ari wants to turn it yellow. Not yet. All right, Sanaya, where you going? Stay with Mimi.
No.
Why? Because I'm not moving fast enough for you? We're recording, ma'am. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Come back here. Don't you want to be on video? Okay. Okay, girl. Ari, pick up the yellow, add some drops. Oh my gosh. That was a lot. Stir, mommy, stir. Stir, mommy, stir. Stir, stir, stir. We want to see how yellow it gets in there.
I think it looks like orange or yellow or something.
Well, orange, yellow. The bottle said it was yellow.
Yellow.
Here, baby girl.
Thank you.
Put it on the frosting the whole cake. Don't eat it, mommy. Frosting. Here, baby. Here, get your spoon. Frosting the cookie. Good job. Swirl it around. Swirl it around. You got to make it smoother than that.
My nail.
Yeah, girl, you got to eat that now. It's on your arm.
Yuck.
Yeah, not yuck. It's good. Good. Smooth, smooth. Get more frosting and smooth, smooth. The box is in the way. Box, box. Sis, Anaya. All right, more frosting. Put it. Get more frosting, baby. Get it out the bowl. Y'all got it all over, y'all. Here. Smooth out the frosting. Hello Kitty lady. Hello Kitty baby. Winnie Pooh lady. Make this cookie. Make that cookie. Sprinkles. Everybody loves some sprinkles. Dollar Tree. These are Dollar Tree finds. Great Dollar Tree finds. It's all over your arm.
I'm telling you to wipe it off here.
Mommy, come on. Come here, let me do it, ma'am. You don't need a bath. Look, y'all got more frosting on y'all selves than y'all got on the cookie. Okay, y'all, we'll be back. Ooh. Make that cookie, girl. Turn the box around so I can see the box. Ooh. They're twins. Ooh. And say it's a nice one. Oh, girl. Can you say bye, UB2B?
Bye, UB2B.
Say, do the wave, mommy.
Bye, UB2B.
Good job.
There's some yellow.
Say hello again, UB2B. We're going to cut the cookie. And you're going to tell me how it tastes.
Yeah,
Goodness
and I
gracious.
think it's gonna be so yummy.
Will it be yummy?
Yes. I think it will.
Here, mommy. Here. How is it?
Good.
Is the cookie a sugar cookie or just a plain piece of cake that's hard?
Cake.
It's cake.
Yeah, I do it look like an egg cake. But when I break it, I snap it like an egg and cook it.
It's good. Alexa, play 107.5 WGCI.
You keep asking her.
107.5 WGCI Chicago from iHeartRadio.
Why?
You got mustache? Is it good, mommy?
Buy a gun for them, don't do it. It's not worth
Yummy.
10 years in jail.
Yummy.
Whatever you do, don't lie for the other guy. This message is
like
brought to you
this
as a public
video.
service announcement by the